Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for factorizing algebraic expression. So number one, find the highest common factor of each pair. So 3x from here, 3x and 20. So let's starting with the number first, 3 and 21. So the highest common factor is 3. And then letter x and, okay, so this is only 3. Next, 40 and 8, x. So, starting with the number 40 and 8, the highest common factor is 8. So, this is only 8. Next, we got 15a and 5b. Starting with the number first, 15 and 5, the highest common factor is 5. A and b, okay, there are no common. Next, we got number first 2 and this is 1 if nothing, so we can write it 1. And then variable a and ab, so we got the highest common factor of a. So 1a, or we can write it just a. Next, starting with the number first, 3 and 12, so the highest common factor is 3. xy and yz, so the highest common factor is y. So the highest common factor of this pair is 3y. Next, starting with the number first, 5 and 20. So this is 5, the highest common. So we got a squared, that means a, b, and this is a, b, b. So we got ab and ab as the highest common factor. So the answer is going to be 5ab. Next, we got 8 and 28. So we need to find it the highest common factor between 8 and 28. So let's start. Is it 8 the highest common factor of it? No, 20. There is no 28 as a factor of 28. So let's start it with 4. So 4 from here. Yeah, 4. So this is 4. And then xyz, so we got the highest common factor is xy. We got 9 and 1, so the highest common factor is 1. We got pq also square, so this is pp and then qq. So the highest common factor is pq, or we can just write it as pq. Next, starting with the number first, 14 and 7. So 7 and then ABC, this is a square and b, so this is ab. Next, 1 and 2. So this is 1 and then this is x, y, z. Here x, y, z. So we got the highest common factor of x, y, and then z. So x, y square, and then z. 2 and 1. So we can write it 1, the highest common factor, a power of 2 and a. So this is a. B power of 4 and b power of 3. So the highest common factor is b power of 3. So as this is multiplied by 1, so we can just write it x, y square, and z. He also as multiplied by 1, we can just write it by a, b power of 3. Okay, 3 and 15. The highest common factor of 3 and 15 is 3. And then look at the letter. This is xy. This is x cube y square. So 3xy. Okay, there it is. Number 2. Factorize as fully as possible. So first, starting with the number 12 and 48. So this is going to be 12. 12 times what number to make it 12x is x. 12 times what number to make it plus 48? This is 4. Next, 2 and 8. So the highest common factor is 2. And then bracket 2 multiplied with what number to make it 2 is 1. Plus 2 multiplied what number to make it 8y. So this is 4y. Okay, next question. 4a, okay, 4a and 16. So the letter is only 4, there is no letter, the number is 4. So we bracket 4 times the number to make it 4a is a, and then we got negative. 4 times what number to make it negative 16? So this is negative 4. Next, we got 3 and 1. So we just write it as 1. And then variable x and xy. So this is x. So 1x multiply what number to make it 3x. So this is 3. And then 1x multiplied with what number to make it minus xy. So this is minus y. Or we can write it as x and then bracket 3 minus by 1 y. Okay, with the number this is 1. So 1 and 5, highest common factor is 1. And then a, b, and a is a. So 1a times what number to make it ab is b. A times what number to make it positive 5a is it 5. Or we can write it as a bracket b plus 5. Remove it. Oh yes, I remove it. Okay, it's fine. So next, let's look at the number first, 3 and 15. So the highest common factor is 3. X and y, okay, there is no highest common factor. So 3 times what number to make it 3x is x, and then 3 times what number to make it minus 15y is minus by 5y. Okay, there we go. Okay, starting with the number first, 24 and 8. So the highest common factor of 24 and 8 is 8. Okay, we forgot about the letter. X and X, okay. Y, okay, not Y, Z and Z. Okay, so the highest common factor is 8xz. So we make it bracket. 8xz multiply what number to make it 24xyz. So 8 we multiply by 3, and the letter we just need to multiply by y. Minus by, to make it minus 8xz is just minus by 1. Okay, there we go. Look at 9 and 12. Highest common factor of 9 and 12 is 3. A with, okay, there is no highest common factor, and the last is B. And okay, so we make it bracket 3B times what number to make it 9AB. Is it 3A? And then 3B times what number to make it minus 12BC. So this is minus 4C. Okay, next question. 6 and 4. Highest common factor of 6 and 4 is 2. And then x. Okay, there is no highest common. And then y and y. So 2y. So 2y multiply what number to make it 6x and y. So this is 3x. And then multiply what number to make it negative. So my negative 2 times what number to make it 4 is 2. And then y times z. Okay, highest common factor of 14 and 26. What is the highest common factor of 14 and 26? Is it 2? Yeah, this is 2. 2. And then look at the letter x and x. So 2 times what number to make it 14 is 7. And then 2x times what number to make it minus 26xy. So this is minus by 13y. Okay, there we go. Look at number 3. Factorize the following. Okay, we're starting with the letter 1 and 8. So this means 1. So only the letter. So this is x. And then x to make it x squared multiplied by x to make it 8x is gonna be plus by 8. Next, okay, number is 1, letter is A, so A times what number to make it 12 is 12. 8 times what number to make it minus A squared is minus by A. Number 9 and 4 is 1, okay, so letter is x. X times what number to make it 9x squared is 9x, and then we plus by 4. 22 and 16, the highest common factor of 22 and 16 is 2, and then the letter x and x squared is x. 2x times what number to make it 22 is 11, and then this is negative, we minus 2 times 8, and then x. Next question. Look at the letter 6 and 8. So their highest common factor is 2. And then A, okay, no, B squared and B, so this is B. So 2B multiplied by number to make it 6, AB squared, so this is 3, AB, and then plus by 2B times what number to make it 8B, so this is, we just need to multiply it by 4. 18 and 36, so the highest common factor is 18. So look at the letter xy, so this is xy. So 18 times what number to make it 18 is 1, xy is already what, so we can write it as 1. So this is 2 for the number xy, so we just need to multiply it by x to make it x squared y. Okay, 6 and 9, the highest common factor is 3, and then the letter is x. So 3x times what number to make it 6x, so this is 2, minus by 3 to make it 9 is 3, and then x to make it x squared, we just multiply it by x. Okay, there we go. 14 and 6, their highest common factor is 2. And look at the letter, we got x and x squared and x, so this is x, y squared and y squared, so we write it y squared. 2 times what number to make it 14 is 7, x, y squared to make it x squared, y squared is just multiplied by x. So this minus by 2 times what number to make it 6 is 3, and then this x y squared to make it x y squared, we just multiply it by 1. Okay, so this is 3. Next question, highest common factor of 9 and 3. So this is 3, and then A with A squared is A, B with B squared is B, C cube and C square is C square. So 3 times what number to make it 9 is 3, A to make it A is already B, okay, C just multiplied by C to make it C cube. And we got minus from here. 3 times what number to make it 3 is 1, no need to write it. A to make it A square is multiplied by A, B to make it B square multiplied by B, and C square is already. 4 and 7, the highest common factor is 1, and look at the letter is only x. So this is 4x minus by 7y. Next, find highest common factor is 1, so just the letter, so this is b square bracket 3a minus by 4c. Next question, 14 and 21, their highest common factor is 7. A square with A is A, B and B square is B. So this is 2A minus by 3B. Okay, we got it. Next, number 4, remove a common factor to factorize each of the following expression. So we got the common already here, 3 plus y and then 3 plus y. So we can make it bracket 3 plus y. Both of them we multiply it by x plus 4 here, x plus 4. Next, the common factor is y minus 3. And they multiplied by x plus 5. Next, we got a plus 2b, so we can write it a plus 2b multiplied by 3 minus 2a. 3 minus 2a. Here we got 2a minus b and 2a minus b. We can write it 2a minus b with 4a minus 3. 4a minus 3. Okay. Look at the x minus y, 2 minus y and 2 minus y. So we can write it 2 minus y. X plus by 1. X plus by 1. So 2y times x and then 2y times with 1. Next, we got the common x minus 3. We can write it x minus 3. And then x plus 4. X plus 4. Okay, 2 plus y and y plus 2. So they are equal. So we can write it here y plus 2. So we got y plus 2 multiplied by 9 minus x. Okay, next question. Okay, we got 2b minus c and c minus by 2b. So we can multiply it here. So let's rewrite. So this is gonna be 4a to b minus by c, and this is gonna be plus, and we multiply it. It's gonna be 2b minus c. Okay, we got the highest common 2b minus c, so we can write it here 2b minus c, and then 4a plus by 1. 4a plus by 1. Next, we got highest common factor 6 minus x. X minus 6, so write it x minus 6 multiplied by 3x minus by 4. 3x minus by 5. Sorry. X minus y and 2x minus y. So let us factorize it. The right side. So let's write it. So this is x multiplied by x minus y minus by, take it out, number 2. Let's see. Oh, take it number 2 and then multiplied by x minus y. We factorize it. So we got it. X minus y and x minus y as the common. So we can write it x minus y multiplied by x minus 2. Okay, we got 2x plus 3 and 3 plus 2. This is equal to 2x plus 3 as well. So write it. The common 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus by y. 3x plus by y. Okay, this is same thing. So take it of the highest common factor 3. So 3x and x minus y. Okay, we got it. Common factor is x minus y, and then we multiply by 4 minus by 3x. 4 minus by 3x. Okay, there it is. Okay, this is last question number 5. Let's make it bigger. Okay, 2ax plus 3a equal to 6x. So we can factorize it from here. So it's gonna be a 2x plus 3, and then plus by, we factorize it 2, and then 3 plus 2x. Okay, we got the common 2x plus 3 or 3 plus 2x. They are equal. So let's write it 2x plus 3 multiplied by a plus 2. A plus 2. Okay, there we go. Okay, here x squared minus 3x gonna be highest common factor x, so x minus 3 plus by, okay, 2y and x minus 3. Okay, we got it. The highest common factor is x minus 3, we multiply by x plus 2y, x plus 2y. Next question, 2bc and 8c, so 2c multiplied by b plus 4, and from here we can make it 3. Okay, 3a and then b plus 4. Okay, we got the common factor b plus 4, and then multiply by 2c plus 3a. 2c plus 3a. Okay, there it is. Next question. Okay, from here we can factorize it. So 3x squared. So this is gonna be 2x plus 1. Here we factorize it, 4x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Okay, we got the common factor is 2x plus 1. So this is 2x plus 1. And then multiply by 3x squared plus by 4. Okay, there we go. Next, here so there is no common factor, so I guess this is 4e. Here we can swap, so 2y power of 3 plus by 3xy squared plus by 3x squared plus 2x squared y. Factorize it from this is gonna be y squared bracket 2y plus by 3x. From here we can make it okay, we got x squared. Oh, here power of 3. So we got x squared and then bracket, so 3x plus by 2y. Okay, we got the common. So the common is 3x plus 2y, and then multiply by y squared plus x squared. Okay, there it is. Next, 2a, 9b, no common factor, so let's swap. That is 2a plus 18 minus 9b minus ab. Okay, the I common factor is 2, so this is a plus 9, and then take it out negative here. So this is b, and then 9 plus a. Okay, we got the common is a plus 9, and then multiplied by 2 minus b. Okay, there it is. Thank you.